got all of our insulation unloaded along with our framing. We went with wool insulation for better soundproofing and moisture control.
Yeah, so our next step is to get in the bus. We'll start framing out the wheel wells in the floor, and then we'll come back and lay this. But actually, before we do that, we still need to fill our holes in left over from our bus seats.
We don't have any pennies, so we'll figure out something innovative.
Yeah, we forgot to plan for that, but yeah, we'll figure it out.
You'll see. So we just got the holes covered in the floor. We did not have pennies or anything. Of course, we didn't prepare for that, so we used waterproof tape. Hopefully that works. If you have any criticisms, feel free to let us know that we messed up. But yeah, so how are we starting this?
So we're gonna take our 2x4s. We're gonna start in the back of the bus and work our way up. We're gonna build a frame around it, and then we'll lay our insulation in that. And yeah, we'll go from there.